Hey there, it's Little Flame, long time no see. Today's video is going to be a step-by-step tutorial based off a fantastic YouTube video I watched by a YouTuber, Anne. If you haven't checked her channel, please do. So what I'm going to be doing is I am going to follow her steps to create these 3D illustrations. I've made so many adorable pieces with this technique, and I have a feeling that I'm going to be using it for the next few days. So without further ado, let's get started, and I promise you this tutorial is simple as it gets and the results are absolutely stunning. You want to open Adobe Illustrator. I personally used a 8.5 by 11 artboard, and I started to begin setting up my design. So first you are going to want to open Windows and then 3D and Materials. After that's open, you're going to want to select it and make sure everything is grouped. And that's where you're going to inflate. After that, you can head over to the inflate button. We're gonna hover over to materials and change some of the settings in properties. After that's changed and switched, we will go to lighting and adjust the color and the settings as well. All of these settings could be found also on Anne's video. I didn't change that much to them. And then there you have it. Oh my gosh, this looks so cute. I love this. It's so cute. I can't believe how well this turned out. You are also going to want to watch out for all the different materials you can choose from. You can turn your illustrations into stunning metal or marble, and if that's not enough, you can download even more materials online. The options are endless. Now on to the second test. We're going to try to apply the 3D effect to this adorable strawberry illustration. Oh my, it looks so good. It's making me want to eat strawberries. These designs can work perfectly as stickers or posters, and they can work great for decorating kids' rooms. I tried it out a couple more times, and to be honest, this was such a fun experience. Please give this tutorial a try and let me know about your results. I love how instant you can achieve this 3D effect. It's just like one click. Some weak clap. Okay, there you go. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. I hope this inspired you to create your own fantastic 3D illustrations. Remember to stay tuned for more exciting content. Stay flaming awesome.